Best Christmas decorations to buy in 2019. Curtain string lights. Knit stockings. Plush Christmas gnome. Personalized baby mobile ornament. String ball lights. Wooden snowflake monogram door hanger. White snowflake window decals. Christmas marble ornament. Wooden sled door sign. Merry Christmas jute burlap banner. Christmas balloon garland embroidered poinsettia table runner. Red green white shatterproof Christmas ball ornaments. Pre-lit frosted berry garland. Indoor and outdoor garden laser light. Wooden Christmas present blocks. Cable knit tree skirt. Pre-lit spruce wreath. Buffalo check throw pillow cover set. Flameless candle set. Glittered Christmas tree star. Thank you for watching this video, and you can find the product details in the description below. Please subscribe this channel for more latest updates.